Stroking is one way of magnetizing a magnetic material. This is done by simply stroking one end of a magnet. But we need to consider the following. First, stroking only one end of the magnet several times from one end to another end of the magnetic material. Second, stroking should be in one direction only and with the same force and speed as much as possible, so you cannot stroke it back and forth. Remember that the pole produced at the end of magnetic material where the stroke starts is the same as the stroking magnet pole used. So in here, we use the north pole of the magnet and stroke it to the steel bar from left to right. So after magnetization, the steel bar will have north pole on the right and south pole on the left. Second way of making a magnet is using electrical method. In this method, the magnetic material is coiled around by an insulating wire, and this wire will then be connected to a direct current. This direct current will align the magnetic domain of the magnetic material. To deduce the poles of the magnetized bar, right-hand rule method is used. Grip the solenoid using your right hand, then curl your forefingers in the direction of the current flow. Then the extended thumb will be the direction of the north pole. So in here, you can see that our current flow starts from the left and then it goes downward, passing in front. So it means our forefingers will be curled like this. Therefore, you can see that our thumb is pointing on the right. So our north will be. Now here, we see that the current is reversed. So the current starts from the right, then it is curved to the back. So it means we're going to curl our finger like this. So we can see that our thumb is pointing on the left. So the north will be. This is also the process that they use in making electromagnet, which we will discuss further in the next chapter. On the other hand, magnetic properties can be destroyed in three different ways. A magnet loses its magnetism if it is heated above a certain temperature, which is called Curie point. The atoms of the magnet vibrate vigorously when heated, causing the magnetic domain to lose their alignment. Hammering, dropping, and rough handling of the magnet can demagnetize the magnet. And lastly, just like how DC current magnetizes a magnetic material, using electricity can also demagnetize it, but by using alternating current. You just simply put the magnet inside the coil connected to an AC supply. Then slowly put the bar away the solenoid in an east-west direction. However, magnets can also be self-demagnetized if not stored properly. This is due to induction. The free poles at the end of the magnets attract or repel each other, causing it to lose its magnetism. To prevent this, bar magnets are stored in pairs with soft iron keeper across the ends of the bar magnets. They are called magnetic keeper. In this way, the poles of the molecular magnets are closed in loops with no free poles.